Good morning, children. Welcome to the another class of English Literature, Class 3, poem Shooting Star by Santhani Govindan. Children, in this poem, the speaker loves looking at the shooting star, and also she wants to be their friend. She wonders that where a shooting star goes and what it does. Now, children, let's learn this poem in details. Poem Shooting Star by Santhani Govindan. Santhani Govindan is an Indian writer of children's stories and poems. She has written over 30 books for children of all ages, and she has received several awards for her works. Children, before we start with this poem, I would like to tell you some important facts about shooting star. Shooting star is a small piece of rock in space that travels very fast and burns with a bright light as it enters the Earth's atmosphere. Now let's discuss some new words. Shooting star, a small piece of rocks that look like stars that burn brightly and quickly shoot across the sky. Next, whizzing, moving quickly through the air with a whistling sound. Marvel, to show wonder and surprise at something. Afar, a great distance. Next, cartwheels, a movement in which a person uses her hands and feet to move like a wheel. Adventurous, not afraid of trying new and exciting things. Next, Milky Way, the galaxy which includes the Sun, the Earth, and all the other planets is called the Milky Way. Poem Shooting Star by Santhani Govindan. Children, in this poem the speaker in the poem admire what, children? Beauty of the what? Yes, shooting star every time. And she sees what? One shooting star. Where, children? Across the sky, and wonders what? Why is it doing so? Is it trying to do cartwheels like an acrobat? Or is it trying to learn to fly across? Or is it trying to race to find another galaxy? Or what, children? What does she imagine? Yes, she imagines, is it trying to look for a friend because it is lonely? Then what happened, children? She imagines that it could have got tired of staying where? In the Milky Way, and was on its way to another galaxy. Or perhaps it was a lonely star looking for a companion, and she hopes the shooting star would notice what? Her and take her as a friend, and she would be whizzing through the Milky Way as well. So, children, watch this video and try to understand this poem. Thank you.